Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you Orbit Meat Grinder. So let's open and see what's inside the box. These are all the attachments which we get with this meat mincer. And here's the user manual. We get 3 discs with this. 1, 2 and 1 is already attached to this. Now let's assemble this like this and then turn it like this. So let me show you how to insert this tray. This tray is to be inserted this way, and here we will put all the ingredients which will go inside this. And this is the pusher bar. We can push the ingredients this way. Now you see this pusher bar. This pusher bar also has some accessories. I will tell you how to use those accessories later on. So has vacuum seals over here. As you place it on any surface, plain surface, it will stick. So now I am going to show you what are these attachments used for. This attachment along with this is used to make sausages, and this attachment is used to make meat cake. So let's see how to fix these attachments. You have to remove this tray. So this way push this button. This way hold it and remove this attachment, the mince attachment. Let's see how to connect this. First we have to unscrew this. Remove this disc. Attach this white one this way and then this black disc. And screw it up again. In this manner. And now you have to fix this. Now I am going to attach this, keep it tilted and then make it straight. A sound will come, a click sound. It is attached. So now I am going to attach this tray here. Here you will put the meat and the other ingredients which you want for the sausage. You will give the push. You will start the button here. You will give a push and then from this end the meat will come out. Before it comes out, you will attach a bag here, the sausage bag. The bag will get filled with the meat. Similarly, for the meat cake, you will attach these attachments. And I am going to show you how we are going to put the ingredients and how to come out from here. And we are going to make veg ball curry. Let me show you these ingredients, how we are going to put all these ingredients in order to take out the mince. Cauliflower, carrots, pulse, then corn, onion, ginger garlic, green chilies, coriander leaves. Put all these ingredients inside this hole. I'll start the button and you can see ingredients coming out. Ready to eat veg ball curry. Now let's make some mutton ball curry. Some green chilies, mutton chunks, onions, ginger, garlic and chickpeas. You can see how the mutton is coming out, fully minced. And there's another mouth-watering mutton ball curry ready.